So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to add a new user into Facebook business page. So first of all, this will work with PC or phone. It's the same parameters. So all you have to do, this is your account, switch to your Facebook page account. Let's switch to it, and then you will click here, go to setting and privacy, then choose settings, search for page setup. You will have it here, and then go to page access. As you can see here, people with Facebook access, just click on add new, click on next, and then just search for the people that you want to add. Let's say I want to add myself. This is me. And then you can give full access or not full access. Let's say give access, and then just type your password, and that's it. This will be done. As you can see here, I invited him. So that's all. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button for more tutorials.